So, hindi nila alam kung saan ihulog yung bola. But again, number 11 of Cardinals. Of course, meron pa po tayong very exciting second game. Number 7. Spins. Pulls, forcing the issue. Steal. No, pero ito yung sinasabi natin. Tingnan natin if we see galit ang ating first quarter action. The second is also in. So finally, this is the first time na nagkaroon sila ng 2 out of courtesy of Joe or Paulo Buado. Another. Back to back, This time, number 7 naman. So, isang magandang play ang nakita natin dito nga sa UB Cardinals. Unlike kanina, they are forcing the issue. And of course, a buzzer beater play, Kompletong-kompleto para dito sa number 7, Talesa with a big 3 after missing, I think, 6 attempts for the whole team ng UB Cardinals. Ito na nga, nakagawa na sila ng basket. At eto ba? Medyo yung mga rebounder sana, ng UB Cardinals, nauunahan ng isa. But again, after that na naman, hindi pumasok yung kanilang second attempt beyond arc. So medyo mababa pa rin yung kanilang third trade in total, beyond the arc. Harness yan for 2, Mukhang nagulat tayo, hindi pa nakaredy ang depensa. Number 62. Maganda yung depensa dito. Bastade is ahead. What a nice play. Again. Number 7 na naman. Depensa, Biglang nagkukulap yung depensa dito ng UB Cardinals. But hindi ganon yung nangyari dito, Back to back. And another hustle play completed. Tingnan natin. So, Cardinals, wala pa rin tayong makitang magandang play. Basket, At ito, kasasabi pa natin. Medyo, wing, pulls, overshoot, rebound. Ito na ngayon, number 7. Another player from downtown. It's left open. Wala problema. So, Kevin Orduña dito sa opening round ng ating first half. O second half rather. Another pull naman. Medyo. And that 8-2 nating run. Number 7. Acrobatics din, So, number 7 of CCD's Admirals, not giving up doon sa last play nila. Kahit nandun yung mga challenger, nandun yung depensa, iniwas niya konti. At ang napansin niya, medyo nalilit. Number 7 for 2. Back-to-back basket para dito kay Arnacion Renz. Sila. So wala pa, Medyo matagal na silang hindi nakaka-score. Almost 2 minutes. Walang score dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. And another turnover, si Admirals. Dahil yung kanilang huling apat na attempt beyond the arc, hindi na pumasok. And again, a double black eye. Walang tumulong para maitawid ang bola. Technical na itinawag dahil nga I think may isang player yata, Big, na rin dito. Pwede lang masabi na pwedeng gamitin sa rally nila na makalapit pa. Again, traffic situation. Banggaan na ng mga players. Manuel Felix. Buado. Another pulls. Pasok pa rin. So, after that attempt,